Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and I'm back with another Stitch Fix unboxing. For those of you that did not see my last video, my hair transformation, or if you don't follow me on Instagram, I probably look just a tiny bit different. Just a single tiny bit different. I'm just kidding. If you guys didn't see my hair transformation video, it is my last video. I'll have it linked at the end of this video and down below. It's like 2 minutes long. You should go watch it just in case. Just in case you haven't seen my before and after. And yeah, you should just go check it out, or you should follow me on Instagram so that you would have already known that I did this. My Instagram is Katie Shindig. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So for those of you that don't know how Stitch Fix works, basically you pay $20 however often you want a box, and a stylist will pick out 5 things for you. You take a quiz when you sign up, and then you can also link your Instagram, your Pinterest, your Facebook, anything like that, and kind of give them ideas, and you can also email back and forth with them. If you would like to try Stitch Fix without paying that $20, use my referral link down below and you won't have to. It's like try and close interest free, I guess. Like, you don't have to pay the styling fee, you just get 5 items shipped to you. So, like I said, if you would like to try it, use my referral link down below and save yourself $20. Without further ado, let's unbox. I really hope I got a purse this time. I sent them an email and asked for a purse. So this is what my box looks like. I don't think there's a purse in here, but here's my mailback bag. So anything that you don't want to keep, you just put in this bag and you mail back, and you never have to worry about it again. So I have this and I have this. Maybe I did get a purse, guys. I did. Oh my gosh. Okay, I hope it's one of the ones I put on my Pinterest board. I really, really hope it is. So because I just amped it up, we're going to check out the purse first, which is this. This is the side view. And we're going to open this bad boy first. Okay, so I don't think this is one of the ones I put on my Pinterest board, but I do think this is super cute. Okay, so it's like Nine West, which I've seen before. I don't know if it's a good brand or not, but I've seen it. And it's just pink, and it's florally, and then it's just this nice little small purse. Oh, this is so nice. I feel like this is a good, like, everyday purse. It's nice and small, but it has like these little pockets. It has like a wallet back here, and then a zipper pocket, and then like just another like little wallet area. I really like this. This is the Nine West Elven Top Handle Clutch, and it is $45. I do think this purse is cute. I'm going to try and put all my stuff in it, and if it fits, I am going to probably keep it. I do hope they send me a little bit of a bigger one further on, because like I said, I do have quite a few picked out on my Pinterest board, and I do hope they send one, but I do think this is super cute. Next, on to the clothes. So there should only be 4 things in here. And let's see. I hope it's nice and summery. So first, oh, I thought this was a blue jean mini skirt at first. I was like, oh my god, I don't know how I feel about this. It is shorts though. It's just these denim shorts. They look a little bit big, but I've said that about a couple things in the past, and they fit. So if these fit, I think they'll be really nice. They feel really nice. They feel like not too crunchy, but a nice texture. And then they just have like these little jean ruffles on the bottom. So I do hope that these fit. However, they do look a little bit big. The Just Black Kristen Frey denim hem shorts, and they are $58. So unless these fit perfectly, I will not be keeping them. I will be sending them back. I'll have to absolutely love the way these fit to keep them, but we'll see after I try them on. after trying on these shorts, I will not be keeping them. They are way too long, they're way too big, they just don't fit me properly, just like I thought when I saw them. I will not keep any bottoms that do not fit me 100% how I like them because I won't wear them. So I will be sending these shorts back. Next, we have, this feels like a sweater. That's a little bit weird. Next we have, oh, it's a dress. Oh, guys, this is so cute. It's like this green. It's just this basic green t-shirt dress with these white roses on it. Oh, this is so cute. It feels like a sweater or kind of like velvety. Oh my gosh, but this is so cute. I love it. I hope this fits. This is the 9 Britain Seymour embroidered knit dress, and it is $48. I think this dress is so cute. I think it's like just a very cute casual wear everyday dress, and I really hope this fits me right because I want to keep it. After trying on this dress, I will be keeping it. I think it is just the perfect, like, throw me on in the summer going out of the house real quick dress. You can just throw it on with a pair of brown sandals and you're good to go. You look cute and put together, and it was the easiest thing you did all week. So I definitely will be keeping this dress. Next, we have something purple. Oh, it's like a little scalloped tank top. So this is just like a wine purple little scalloped cami. It's just a basic shirt, but it's super cute. I love the color of this. I absolutely love the color. This is the Paper Moon Biosca Scallop Cami, and it is $34. If this fits right, I'll probably keep it. I feel like it's just a basic that you can really just wear anywhere, and it's going to look super cute, and I really like the color. So after trying on this shirt, I will not be keeping it. Even with the adjustable straps, I just feel like it's too big. I feel like this goes a little bit too low for my comfort level and my cleavage level. And also, I don't wear bras, and I feel like my nipples are like right there, and I'm just not comfortable with it. So I will be sending this shirt back, sadly. Last but not least, we have, oh, this is cute. I think this is an off-the-shoulder top. Well, you could probably wear it either way, honestly. It says it's an off-the-shoulder top, so it's just white with these little blue flowers on it. I feel like this is so cute. This is such like a cute summer everyday shirt. I feel like maybe you could even wear it up. I don't know. We'll see when I try it on. This is the Jealousy Verona off-the-shoulder embroidery top, and it is $38. I think this shirt is so cute. I really hope it fits. So after trying on this shirt, I will be keeping it. I think it is so cute. It's the perfect basic off-the-shoulder top, just to pair with a pair of denim shorts or jeans or something. And it's just cute to spice up any outfit and show off your shoulders, which now I can super show off because of my hair. And I just really like it. So I will be keeping this shirt. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Like I said, if you would like to see the before and after of my hair, please go watch my hair transformation video. And if you guys would like to keep seeing me, then please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to try Stitch Fix for free, please use the referral link down below. Bye guys!